There are just over 500 confirmed cases here in our state. Health officials predict that we could see our peak in cases in just a few weeks.
And we are able to give you the breakdowns of these cases in each county, but not city by city. We're also not given more information about the deaths just yet.
Yeah, so Carla Navarrete joining us right now. Carla, right now there seems to be a lack of transparency. So is it that, or is it everyone just trying to keep up with the information that's coming at them? Break it down for us.
Well, right now, it is what the health department is able to give. They are really giving us a broad overall look at how the virus is doing in our state. They are able to tell us the number of cases and the counties, but people are really seeking more in-depth information. They want to know if the virus is within their communities, and that information may not come at all. Now, I can tell you right now, we don't know the exact cities where the cases have been reported and whether there may be any clusters in those cities. Now, the state tells us they are not tracking the exact cities where the cases are coming from. We're told that mayors are having daily calls with the governor's office. And we also spoke with the Arizona's former state health director. Here's a little bit about what she had to say.
Every day, mayors convene on a conference call with staff from the governor's office. We're not speaking directly to the governor, but with his staff. Senator Kyrsten Sinema also regularly convenes mayors, and she is on those calls herself. So we do have a chance to share resources and intelligence about what's happening in the community, as well as talk about next steps.
Those are judgment calls, and those judgment calls are being made by elected and appointed folks. I could talk about how I looked at it when I was in my job, and every personality has a different way of answering the question, what is reasonable?
Now, I can tell you in the past, previous to the coronavirus pandemic, I have reached out to the Department of Health trying to get specific information on other diseases, other viruses, and they refuse to give those specifics, saying that they don't want certain parts of the community to be complacent, knowing that the viruses or the outbreaks are happening in other parts of the valley. And that is the reason why they hold back on some of this information, some of these details on the cities and exactly if there are any clusters. Now, at this time, all I can tell you is that the state has set up a 211 information line for answering questions specifically to the coronavirus. That number again, 211. For now, reporting in downtown Phoenix, I'm Carla Navarrete, ABC 15, Arizona.
All right, Carla, thank you.